Hi there, it's Greg again with AUTOTRIZ. I thought seeing as how we're testing competitors' products, we might as well test our own. So I've got the V1 3D Matrix one-step product that I'm going to put on this hood, and we're going to actually time it to see how long it takes for it to dry in comparison to the competitor's product from a previous video. So just heads up, that's our trifold brochure that we offer as well. So just all the different products that we do carry. And I do have a stopwatch here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a few drops of the V1 just like I did with the competitor's product. And I'm going to spread it just like I did with theirs. And before I spread it, I've got the timer right here. So I am going to start and then I will spread just like I did with the other product. So now normally you use a suede cloth, but I just want to do this just to show you how quickly this one dries in comparison to the competitor's product. Because this is exactly how I did it with their product. So okay, so there we have it spread evenly, cross-hatched. It's already starting to get dry. So we're at 54 seconds, almost a minute. I'll just pause it for a sec and then I'll turn it on when it starts to dry up. Okay, so we're at the 3-minute mark, and even as heavy as we put it on, we still have some of the what you witnessed with the competitor, some oiliness, but this just has some resistance to it. I can feel it drying up. Yeah, it's getting sticky. So this is what we would call a real ceramic coating. The air is what dries ceramic coatings. So the air is drying this. Now normally I would just leave this sit, but just so you have the visual in comparison to the competitor's product that still wasn't dry after literally 24 or 36 hours. Okay, so we're almost at 12 minutes and it's almost dried. Now, obviously, if we were applying this in the proper manner, we would have wiped this quite a while before, and we wouldn't have had as much product. That's dry. That is really sticky now. And that's what you're supposed to have with the ceramic coating. A real, true ceramic. It's dry. It's sticky. That's where you get the hardness from. So now at the 20-minute mark, and we're pretty much dry. A little bit of movement there in it, but not very much. So I'm just going to leave it, and the next time I come back to it, it'll be completely dry, but I'll keep the timer running. Well, we've hit the 30-minute mark and we have hardness. It's not rock hard, but we're to the stage of what a ceramic coating is supposed to be. It doesn't move, doesn't budge, no smeariness, no oiliness. Okay, well, let's leave it as is, and then we'll do the break clean test with it along with the competitors. Well, we're an hour and a half into it, and I guess the saying, as they say it goes, the proof is in the pudding. And here we have the coating. It is dried, it is set hard. And that's what you want. If you're going to pay money, why not pay money for a good quality coating This is what it's supposed to look like. There's the matrix. There's the booster. I'll be using that in future videos when I take the brake clean and I'm going to do an acid test. And the key is right there. AUTOTRIZ is made in Germany. They know what they're doing when it comes to chemistry, and this is evident of it. And like I said, we're hard. That's what you want in a ceramic coating. That is a true ceramic coating. Stay tuned for the videos in 3 weeks of trying to remove that with chemicals.